guys, so I guess today we're going to do an unboxing video. It's not really something I thought I'd be doing on this channel, but kind of excited. Ordered us a new camera, so without further ado, I guess let's pop her open.
You look like you're working really hard.
I need to take his knife and throw it away. That's terrible. Alright. So, as you can see, we got us the gitup git2 Pro package. It's actually in a fairly nice package. It's got specs and all that. You know, a lot of these, it's basically a knockoff GoPro, right? So a lot of these come with just, you get them in a package like this. It's just a cheap Chinese shipping package, no real information. This actually came with all the specs laid out. Pretty sweet. So we'll get some pictures of that to insert into the video. So, first thing, pop this baby open. You get your camera in a waterproof case. Not bad, it's got lens covers on everything. See if she's got a battery in there or not. She does. See if it's charged now. As soon as I figure out how to put the cover back on. It's a lot smaller than I thought. Wow, this is a lot harder. Okay, there we go. Power button. Oop. It's even charged. Not much, but it is charged. Pretty sweet. So it's got an LCD screen on it even. So you can see what you're doing. Yes, low battery. Okay, yeah, it's not very much charged. But overall, it actually feels really nice. Alright, so let's see what else is in the box. It's not as easy to get apart as I'd like it to be. So I did get the Pro package. And I got the Pro package with some extra things because I bought it off eBay. So somebody else bought it and decided they didn't want it. Said it had never been used. So let's see, Pro package, we've got sticky mounts, flat and curved. Got a tripod mount. Some more mounting options that I'm not entirely sure what they are. We'll figure that out as we go. Another mounting option. Spare battery. This is the clip mount so that you can mount this to the tripod without putting it in the waterproof case, which is nice. Handlebar clamp mount. Dual battery charger. Lens cap, which is pretty cool. GoPros don't even come with one of those. You know, it's nice if you're throwing it in your pocket or whatever. Probably not recommended. It's cheaper than a GoPro, but not cheap. Your micro or your mini USB, it's not micro. And the wrist remote, which is actually not included in the Pro package, and neither is the spare battery or the battery charger. These are actually separate purchase items. So that's what comes in the box when you purchase the gitup Git Pro or Git2. Okay, it comes with your manual. It's a more of a quick start guide than a manual. That's obviously not going to cover everything the camera does. It's pretty actually a nice camera. I don't know what this is. What do we have here? Oh, look. Decals. How exciting. Oh, very, very exciting. All right. All right, guys. So that's what's in the box. Well, I guess I'll do a review of it once we've used it a little bit and have an idea of what it's capable of and if it actually performs like I say. Well, according to everything I've read, it's supposed to be a pretty good comparable substitute for GoPro Hero 4. Now, I know the Hero 5 is out already, but I'm not going to spend that kind of money on a camera, so I guess this will be the next best thing for my budget. Alright guys, if you like the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll keep the content flowing. You know, we might have some exciting stuff coming out of this camera. So we'll see. Alright, bye guys.